Hi guys, so today's learning intention is to understand what mixed numbers or improper fractions are and what top-heavy fractions are, and to convert between mixed numbers and top-heavy fractions. So your learning intention is to be able to convert between mixed numbers and top-heavy fractions. Okay, let's have a look at what we mean by a mixed number. A mixed number is when you have a fraction and a large number in front of it. This means you have 2 and 2/3. When we have a fraction where the number at the top, which is called the numerator, is bigger than the number at the bottom, called the denominator, we have a top-heavy or an improper fraction. For example, 5/3, 8/4, 9/2. So you need to be able to turn mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions and turn top-heavy fractions into mixed numbers. Let's have a look and see how we would do this. Let's start off with changing top-heavy fractions or improper fractions into mixed numbers. We have 14/3. We want to change this to a mixed number. That's a number that has a whole number and a fraction. To do this, we divide 3 into 14. So how many times does 3 go into 14? 3 goes into 14 4 times. And what's our remainder? We have a remainder of 2. That means that we have 4 wholes and we have 2/3 left over. Our mixed number is 4 2/3. Let's try another one. We have the top-heavy or improper fraction 19/5. We want to convert this into a mixed number. The first thing we do is divide 5 into 19, i.e., how many times does 5 go into 19? 5 goes into 19 3 times. What's our remainder? 4. So we can make 3 wholes and we have 4/5 left over. This gives us our mixed number as 3 4/5. Let's try another one. We have 31/10. We want to convert this into a mixed number. First off, we divide 10 into 31. How many times does 10 go into 31? 10 goes into 31 3 times. Then we write down the remainder. We're left with a remainder of 1. This means we have 3 wholes and we have 1/10 left over. This gives us our mixed number as 3 1/10. Please pause the video and take down this example. Okay, our second learning intention is to convert mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions. This is the opposite of what we were just doing. So here we are given a mixed number and we want to turn it into a top-heavy or an improper fraction. Let's see how we do this. We have 3 wholes and 1/10. To find our top-heavy fraction, we multiply these numbers together. That's the denominator and the whole number. 3 times 10 gives us 30. And then we add on the number at the top. 30 plus 1 gives us 31. This will be the number on the top. The bottom number will stay the same. We're left with a top-heavy fraction of 31/10. Let's try it again. We have a mixed number of 5 3/4, and we want to change it into a top-heavy or improper fraction. First thing we do is multiply these two numbers together. That's the denominator and the whole number. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Then we add on the number at the top. 20 plus 3 gives us 23. This will be the number at the top. The bottom number stays the same, which gives us a top-heavy fraction of 23/4. Okay guys, I would like you to pause this video and please take down this example into your copybooks. Okay guys, now that we have our examples down and we know how to change top-heavy fractions into mixed numbers and mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions, it's time for you to try some. Turn to page 84 and 85 in your textbooks and complete question 7 and question 8.